What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to save a Google Chrome page as a PDF. So I have this page of Wikipedia of United States open and I want to save it as a PDF file. What I want to do now is to go to right top corner and I'm going to click on these three dots. From here I'm going to scroll down till I see print and I'm going to click on it, and as you can see now we have the option to save as PDF. If you don't find the option right here at destination, all you have to do is to click on the option that you are going to see right here and you will go to save as PDF. You can change which pages you want to add to your PDF file. Then you're going to go to layout and here you can choose between portrait and landscape. So I'm going with landscape for this tutorial. Then what we want to do is to click on save. You're going to choose where you want your PDF file to be downloaded and you're going to click on save. After you did that, your page will be downloaded as a PDF file. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.